Hi guys, I am Vaishnavi Pathak and today we will talk about Biceptor. I got to know about Biceptor in my last hackathon, that was Hacko Pitch 2.0, held at IIT Madras in Paradox 2023. As my topic was related to web application, API was really needed for my project implementation. It is the fastest and easiest way to create a mock API endpoint. It's pretty easy to set up and doesn't take a lot of time. You can see an API response and based on that you can code up your app. As my topic was to design a web application to display smart bus destination, ensure accessibility for people with visual impairment at the bus stop, and optimize bus stops by avoiding unnecessary stop when no one is present. So API was really needed. So it can be created by just doing 3 steps. We have to just create an endpoint, and we can create by clicking here. And endpoint is a dedicated subdomain we can use and replace in a code. Then we will click on mocking rules. As I have already created my endpoint, so I will click on this. Now we will click on mocking rules and we will create a new rule. And then we will define the matching criteria by clicking on this create new rule. And now the response you would like to send, you need to just type down and you are done. It's very easy to use. I have used in my project which I implemented in my hackathon. API is really needed and it helps you to simulate and intercept all the API or HTTP traffic, be it REST API, SOAP API or any service running on HTTP. Biceptor is this much easy and convenient. Now we will talk about why API is needed. There are mainly 2 advantages of API. The first one is it gives us security and the second one is it provides monitoring, that the illegal activities can be tracked and we can stop the use of the illegal activity as soon as possible. The security layer between our application and the server is API only. It's a proper security code which we can copy from here and use in our code. Thank you very much. Hope you like it.